Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm back with a new line. Let's learn some grammar. Today we just focus on gerund or infinitive. Without further ado, let's get to work. What is gerund? Gerund is verb plus ing. For example, going, coming, opening. But what is infinitive? Infinitive is when we use to plus base form of the verb. For example, to go, to come, to open. Sometimes in a sentence we need to use two verbs after each other. For example, here I want to use enjoy and play. I have two options. I enjoy playing basketball. I enjoy to play basketball. But which one is correct? Let's learn. There are three groups of verbs. Group 1, verbs only followed by gerund, like enjoy, discuss, deny, avoid, suggest. For example, he enjoys traveling by bus. They discussed buying a bigger house. Jake denied breaking the window. We avoid giving sugar to dogs. It's your turn. Use the verb suggest and look at the picture. Make an example. Write it in the comment section down below. Group 2. Verbs that are only followed by infinitive, like agree, ask, would like, hope, want. For example, he agreed to buy a bigger house. He asked to give my driver's license to him. Yeah, you can make a more beautiful sentence here, but we would like to have salad. I hope to see you soon. Okay, it's your turn. They want. Use the picture and the verb want. Make an example and tell me. Group 3. Group 3 are verbs that can be followed by gerund or infinitive. For example, the verbs stop, try, forget, remember, like. He stopped to smoke. It means he stopped an action to smoke. He stopped smoking. It means he doesn't smoke anymore. He stopped to smoke به این معنا هستش که کاری که میکرده متوقف کرد تا سیگار بکشه. اما he stopped smoking یعنی کلاً دست از سیگار کشیدن برداشت. I tried to move to Turkey. I tried to move to Turkey, but I couldn't. I tried moving to Turkey. I went to Turkey to see if it works. تو جمله اول منظورش اینه که تلاش کردم که برم ترکیه اما نتونستم. و جمله دوم به این معنا هست که رفتن به ترکیه رو امتحان کردم. He forgot to open the window. He didn't open the window, but he was supposed to. He forgot opening the window. He opened the window, but he doesn't remember doing so. تو جمله اول یعنی که فراموش کرد پنجره رو باز کنه. اما جمله دوم به این معنا هست که عمل باز کردن پنجره رو فراموش کرده و به خاطر نمیاره. Remember to lock the door. You should lock the door. I remember locking the door. I have this memory in my mind that I locked the door. جمله اول میگه که یادت نره در رو قفل کنی یا به خاطر داشته باش که در رو قفل کنی. اما تو جمله دوم میگه من یادمه که در رو قفل کردم یا قفل کردن در رو به خاطر میارم. He likes to, and he likes doing what? It's your turn to make an example. Okay guys, let's go back to our first question. I enjoy playing basketball. I enjoy to play basketball. What's your idea? Yes, you got it. I enjoy to play basketball is wrong because verb enjoy takes a gerund after itself. Okay guys, please don't forget to like this post, follow us, leave a comment in the section down below, and share this post with your friends and save it.